Hello, my name is Ken. I'm a senior product manager. Backstop, I'm going to give a 4 out of 5. For more reviews like this, please click below. Before we had Backstop, we're using Excel, we're using share folders in Outlook and Exchange, we're using Access Database. It was a hybrid of technologies, but none of that worked really well. The reason why we chose Backstop, we want some CRM that just works, and we would need to be able to have some document management and also the contact management, and most important, the relationship management, so we can see the progression of the buyer's journey and all the user engagement behaviors. And Backstop does it wonderfully. How we started to bring Backstop on board, we engage with the professional services team, and there's a top notch of consultants that we're working with, and they took our requirements, they took our data, Excel attachments, PDFs, and all those kind of documents that we had on the numerous shared drives and stuff like that, and they were able to put some metadata around and did the mass import for us. And then nothing went as planned, but we did a couple iterations and we were able to get all the information in pretty much in bulk. And I say, but the first round we were able to get about 85%, which was very good. And the next round was some scrubbing, some massage to get it the exact shape that we wanted. In terms of recommendations and suggestions, if you're thinking about deploying it, I think the professional services team, top notch, really recommend them. Also, I think some planning ahead is just really imperative. The information, there's so many ways to get it into Backstop because it's so flexible. But the more shape that you're thinking about how you want it to get it out, how you want to do reporting on, those pre-planning is really key in terms of getting a successful implementation. And I highly recommend you spend some time doing the pre-planning. And after the implementation, the knowledge management team from Backstop is again really wonderful to work with. Once you build the product, your end users, they still need to get comfortable with it, and you can schedule one-on-one knowledge management sessions with the team, and then they will just give you the hand holding. Highly recommended.